Learning about cloud. Cloud is nothing but storage space. So there are n number of clouds, but there is one Thingspeak cloud. So Thingspeak is providing free account to students to display their parameters. You can display maximum 8 parameters. You can observe the graphs, etc. So in today's session we'll learn about Thingspeak cloud first, and then we'll do one application using Thingspeak cloud. So we'll start our Thingspeak cloud. Thingspeak cloud. So in this session I will explain Thingspeak cloud, how to set up Thingspeak cloud and the basics of Thingspeak cloud. So the website address for Thingspeak cloud is www.thingspeak.com. Now Thingspeak is an IoT analytical platform that allows you to aggregate, visualize and analyze live data stream in the cloud. Thingspeak provides instant visualization of data posted by your device on Thingspeak. Whatever you post on Thingspeak, it is visually displayed on the Thingspeak website. So I am explaining you how to use Thingspeak, how to set up Thingspeak. So your first step is login into Thingspeak account. If you don't have a login account, create one account and do the login. So this is first requirement. Do the login into Thingspeak account. After login, you have to click on new channel. You have to create new channel. So click on new channel. So click here, new channel. Channel is the source for your data, where you can store and retrieve data. Channel can have maximum 8 fields. It means it can store 8 different data to channel. So here you have to click on create new channel. After that it will ask basic information about the channel. So enter the basic details of channel. So we are using this channel for temperature and humidity measurement for DST11. Our next session is temperature and humidity measurement. So we are using temperature, humidity, SACEC, IoT internship. Okay. So after that, scroll down and select save. So click here on save channel. After that, note down this channel ID. This channel ID is very important. It is your identification. Now this is private view. Next, convert your private channel to public channel just by clicking on sharing. So you have to click on share and then you have to select share channel with everyone. So this channel will become public without any login. Anyone can observe the channel just by clicking https://thingspeak.com/channel/channel ID. So just remember the channel ID 10677736. So just write down here. You will observe the output of this channel, and now this becomes public. Now API keys. API key is nothing but application programming interface. It is nothing but password. So this is the password to load the data into Thingspeak cloud. So write API is used to write the code into Thingspeak. Read API is used to read the data from API. So now in this session we are using write API code. So this API code is nothing but password to write your code. How to update the data? How to upload the data? So for that you have to type this URL https://api.thingspeak.com api.thingspeak.com/update. After update, API key equal to your API key. Whatever API key provided is your API key. Then add field 1 and your value. So whatever value you want to place. For example, field 1 is temperature. So you have to write down temperature value here. And field 2. So field 2 is for humidity. You have to write down the value of field 2. If you have to increase more channel, you can write and field 3 and field 4 like this. So in short, your API is API key, right key. Then VR1 is your temperature data, VR2 is your humidity data. So you have to write down like this. HTTP api.thingspeak.com update API key. This is my API key. Field 1 35. So temperature is 35 and field 2 humidity is 78. This is your manual updation. You have to do this automatically using Node MCU. Now response. If you are getting positive response, means 1, 2, 3, more than 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then your data is accepted or uploaded. But if you are getting 0, then your data is not accepted. Keep it in mind. Remember, Arduino in Thingspeak, the minimum interval to accept the data is 15 seconds. So Thingspeak accepts the data only after each 15 seconds. So if you send data after every 5 seconds, so first data and third data is accepted, second data will not be accepted. So it will accept only data in between 15 seconds. Now, so you'll observe the result like this. Graphs will be like this, and this is the entries, how many entries you have entered given the data. So next we will see in real, we will see the real demonstration of this. So you have to open Thingspeak website and then we'll start. Hello everyone. Now I'm taking this session on Thingspeak, how to use Thingspeak, how to configure Thingspeak. So first you have to click on get started for free. So now it depends on your speed also. Now here you have to write down your email ID which you had registered. So I had registered my email ID. Then I have to click on next. Then it asks my password. So already I had saved my password, so I will click this. Now this is logged in. So these are my channels. So this SK IoT internship, I had designed this on 25/5/2020, means yesterday at 3 PM. So now I will explain how to design new channel. So just click on new channel. When you click on new channel, it will ask channel name. So here you can write channel name. For example, I will write here ETRX department Sakik. Then description. You have to write down the description regarding for the purpose of this channel. So for example, I will write weather. I will write industrial parameter measurement. Industrial parameter monitoring. Then field. So field 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So maximum 8 fields you can use. So you can monitor maximum 8 channels. So field 1 means first channel. So this is tick mark. So I will write here, this is for temperature. You can enter maximum 8 field channel. Then field 2, you can write for humidity. So you can enable this field too. So first is temperature. I will write here temperature. Then I will give the name to second channel, humidity. Then temperature, humidity. I can use third channel like carbon. I can use fourth channel like LPG gas. So like this you can set maximum 8 channels. You can set maximum 8 channels. So now we are using only 2 channels for temperature and humidity monitoring. So I am selecting only these 2. So in new channel you have to write down channel name, then description of channel and which parameter you are monitoring. Then go to scroll down and save the channel. So when you click on save channel, this ETRX department SAKEK with, this is your channel number 106811, and this is access is private. This access is private, so other person cannot observe this. If you want to make it public, you have to click on sharing. So click on sharing and then select share channel with everyone, and then you can see the public view. So this is public view. You can observe the graphs here. Field 1, field 2. So these are the graphs. Right now we are not given any input to this, so it is blank. But if you observe, now this access is public, and to access this channel you have to enter thingspeak.com/channels/channel numbers. So this is my 1068114 channel. So this is thingspeak.com channels/1068114 channel. So this becomes public. Anyone can access by entering this web address. So ETRX SAKEK, and now this is your public channel. Now most important point next is API keys. So when you click on API keys, you are getting two keys: write API key and read API key. Write API key is used to upload your data, sensor data on web page on Thingspeak cloud, and read API key is used to read the data from Thingspeak. This API key is nothing but password for Thingspeak. Without this you cannot upload or you cannot download data from Thingspeak. So we are using this write API key for our coding. So write API key is very important. Now if you want to upload any data, then you have to copy this data. So this is the address. So I will copy this and I will open new page and I will put this here. Now see this is very important. HTTPS api.thingspeak.com update API key. So this is my API key. This is my API key, and field 1 equal to the value. So it is used to enter the value for field 1, that is temperature. So if I write the value, this is my value, I will write 35. So my temperature entry, I am giving manual entry 35, and I will press enter. After pressing enter, you have to observe the number here. So after pressing number, I am getting 1. 1 is positive number above 0. If it is 1, then my data is entered. So you can observe the graph here. So in public view, you can observe the temperature dot. So this is the dot which indicates temperature 35. Tuesday, May 26, 2020, 11 o'clock 5 minutes 9 seconds. So this is my first entry. In field 2, I had not written any data, humidity data, so it is blank. Now I will enter manual data in humidity. So for that, same thing is there, same code is there, just I will change. In place of field 1, I will write field 2, and I will write the value of humidity 75, and I will press enter. So when I press enter, this 1 will become 2. This number indicates how many entries are there in your Thingspeak data. So here I am getting 75. Here I am getting 75. Similarly, I can again give next entry. For example, 77. Enter. Now see, this is 2. This becomes 3. So this data is accepted, and I am getting this graph here. Again, if I enter next value as 78, and I'm getting here 0. 0 means this data is not accepted. So again I have to press enter button. So when I press enter, so now it becomes 4. 4 means accepted. So I will get this data here. Similarly, if I give data again 72, see the number 4 becomes 5. So this data is accepted. I can observe the waveform here. It will automatically update. So So this becomes automatic update. The duration between two data acceptance is minimum 30 seconds, minimum 15 seconds. So wait for 15 seconds. So if I write again 75, see I will enter two data simultaneously. So this 5 becomes 6. Now same data I will repeat. 75, I will place 78. Now this 6 becomes 0, means data is not accepted. So you have to wait for minimum 15 seconds and then you have to press the data. Again 0. So again we have to wait 7. Now it is accepted and you can see the graph. So it is updating. So it is auto updation. In temperature we are not given any data, so we will update the temperature data manually. So for that you have to click on field 1 and temperature value, for example 40 degree. So I will press enter. This 7 will become 8 and the data is accepted here. Now here it will be updated automatically. Now this updation depends on internet speed also. So this is updated. Again if I give next data 42, enter, this 8 should become 9 and then this data is accepted. Now this will update. The duration between two update is minimum 15 seconds. And public, this is public channel. So if you observe this, there are total 9 entries. There are total 9 entries. This is public channel, and by entering this data you can observe the data. So this is Thingspeak. How to use Thingspeak, how to configure Thingspeak. So this is private view. No one can access this. This is private view. Here it shows private show. This is public view. Public view. This is channel view. So here channel details are given. Then sharing. This is sharing. Then API key. API key is very important, right? API key is used to load the data. Now if you see this public view, in public view again there are some options. Add visualization. So here there is no visualization, so we can say add gadget. So gadget, you can add this gadget also. You can add this gadget. So I will click on next. So when I click on next, it asks the parameter name. So temperature, TEMPERATURE, temperature. It is for field 1. Its minimum value is 0 and maximum value is 100. Display value. Then units. You can say degree Celsius. DC. Then interval, tick interval. So minimum tick interval is, you can put 10 or 5. Update interval is 15 seconds. You cannot change this. This is very important. Update interval in Thingspeak, update interval is 15 seconds. You cannot make less than 50 seconds, but you can increase this up to your requirement, but the minimum value is 15 seconds. So 15 seconds is minimum value for updation, and then you have to click on create. So automatically one gadget is created, so which indicates my temperature is 45. Similarly, I can add new gadget. I can use numeric display, next, and then I can add same data. It is for temperature. It is for temperature. It is for field 1. Interval minimum 5. Then you have to click on create. Then again one indicator, 42 degrees Celsius. So if you observe these two, 42 degrees Celsius. Again in gadget, there is lamp indicator. So lamp indicator. Now this is very important. Enter name, it is for temperature. Then it is for field 1. Now you can give the condition. If your temperature exceeds above certain value, then if your value exceeds above certain value, then blink the LED, or else stop the LED. So you can give the condition greater than or equal, less than equal, like this. So I will use this greater than, and you have to write down the value. So I will write 45. So if my my temperature is above 45, then lamp turns on, and the color of lamp you can set according to your requirement. So I will use this red color. Okay, and then you have to click on create. So here you will observe the lamp. Right now this lamp is off. Now manually I will enter the value which will be above 45. So I will write value 50 degree and I will press enter. So this 9 should become 10. So it is 10, and see the lamp. So lamp turns on. If I write the value less than 45, for example I will write 41, enter, then this lamp status should be off. Now this value is 0, means data is not accepted. So again I have to press enter, enter, data is accepted, and this lamp should turn off. The lamp turns off. So according to your input output, this lamp turns on and off. So this is the session on how to use Thingspeak. So thank you very much for watching this.